You want to know how you can create yourself an account in Starry AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create yourself a Starry AI account. Go ahead and go to starry.ai or starryai.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and then click on this profile. Go to continue with Google and then wait for a while and select your Gmail. You should keep your patience as your internet speed might differ, so go ahead and click on your Gmail and press continue. Wait for a while and you will be logged in and your account will be created. So there you go guys, this is how you create yourself a Starry AI account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.